Hi guys, it's me. So today we are going to make a wedding basket for wedding gift for our friends that are getting married. So this weekend I'm going to a wedding with my mom for my mom's friend, and I'm super excited to be making a basket for them. So we got this beautiful basket that will be the vessel of how we will make our gift basket. Normally I would decorate the edges and that kind of thing, but I'm not going to do this because this is such a beautiful design and I love the shape of the basket that I don't think that it needs it. We are going to put in breadsticks, this delicious pasta that's very colorful. We're going to use, this is a spoon rest and a spoon that we got to add to the basket. And then last but not least, a jar of delicious marinara that is imported from Italy. So really fun. Very fun. So very good. And of course you could add a bottle of wine, whatever you like. We just thought that we would do kind of a family themed basket because they love to cook with their kids and that kind of thing. So we thought it would be a great gift. So you're going to grab your basket and you need peeler for it. So for that we're going to use some tissue paper. So I have some here, and just going to see what other kind I have. This is really pretty too. I also have some white tissue paper that's really pretty. Oh, I like that one too. Okay. So we have that and we have that. And I just put a little bit in. The tissue paper kind of helps to helps things to stay in place because I don't use like styrofoam or anything like that. I think if you pack it really, really good, you really don't need that. So I'm going to do that part and I'll be right back. So what I have here is just some brown paper that I got from a package. So I love to reuse things. You could also do this with newspaper. You'll just take it and you're going to put it into like little balls. If you want to learn how to make more different kinds of gift baskets, I love making gift baskets. They're wonderful gifts. You can check out my playlist too. I do have one. And sorry for all the noise. That's kind of the way it rolls when you're making a gift basket. And I just stuff everything in there. And that's going to help to keep everything stable. And if you wanted to, of course, you could use like foam and skewers and make sure that everything's really secure. I do that if I'm shipping gift baskets to anyone. But since we're going to the wedding, and we'll just put it on a table and it'll be nice and secure, we don't have to really worry. There we go. Just like that. Sorry for the noise. Okay. And then we are going to do the tissue paper. So I think I'm going to use the white tissue paper. I think that will be good. And I need my scissors, which are right here. Use those guys. Take it and I like to scrunch it up like that. And then I just cut it off. Of course you could get like filler tissue papers, which would work well too. But for this, we're just going to go ahead and chop it up. So it's great to be going to a wedding. I hope that the weather holds because they're thinking that we might get snow. And it's February. Lots of people love to get married in February, and it's because of Valentine's Day, I think. And the winter is pretty. I personally would not have a winter wedding, but I can see the charm in it. Just because of the ice and stuff. But it's fun, and they are beautiful. Especially with all the pretty decorations and all that kind of stuff. But it really doesn't matter when you get married, right? It's all about the love. Okay, so we'll do that and that. And I think maybe I will add a little bit of this. I'm just trying to decide because I think I want to add a little bit more tissue paper. I don't want to do the pink or the polka dots, but I do have this, which I think will kind of go with the theme. So we'll do some of that. And we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to crumple it up. And I just really don't want to see that brown. That's all I'm trying to do. It's okay if it peeks out a little bit, but I'm going to try to cover it up as much as possible. Just like that. Alrighty, so that looks pretty good. Looks good to me. Alrighty, so okay, we can add more if we need it. So I'm going to put this in the back because it's the biggest. Don't be afraid to really press things down. And to move them and adjust them a little bit. I'm sorry for the angle, but there's not really anything I can do about it. You're going to just be looking down on the basket. But I will take pictures so you can see it at the end. And then we'll put the jar of marinara right here. Again, those are my nice heavy items. I usually start with those first. Alright, okay. And then we'll do the pasta. We'll stick that right over here. I'm going to make sure that it's down there pretty good. Stick that back in there. Wonderful. And then we need our breadsticks. Which are here. Perfect. So that's the way it looks. I'll give you a tilt there. Perfect. Okay. And you could add chocolates or whatever else you want, but I like it here. Alright. Okay, and then we have this beautiful tool, and that's what we're going to use. This is a yard, and it's the beige, but you could also use white, or you could customize the color. And we're just going to spread that out. I like to do it diagonal. This part will be a little bit hard for you to see, but just spreading it out like that. And then I put my basket right in the center, like so. Make sure that it's nice and tidy. Everything's in there. It's pretty sturdy. It's not going to move too much when you go around, which is good. Stick that marinara sauce down. Okay, and then we're just going to take it and we're going to just pull up the edges like that. Now, this is a little bit too floppy for me, so I'm going to go ahead and stick this in there pretty good. There we go. Okay. And I have this beautiful ribbon that's rose. Very pretty. That's what we're going to use. And you could even wrap that around the handles of the basket, but this is such a pretty basket. I don't think that it needs it. We're just going to let the basket speak for itself. Okay. And you get baskets that are like that are so pretty. Just going to adjust that a little bit. Okay, and I want it a little bit higher in the front, like this. And I'm just bringing up the edges. And you could wrap this in plastic wrap if you wanted, or shrink wrap. That would work well too. I just love the romance of the tulle, so that is my preferred way to wrap baskets. But do as you like. There's no rules to making it. And I just make sure that it's not folded inside. Stick that in there. It wants to go over a little bit, and that's just because I'm manipulating it. That looks good to me. We will grab, and it's good to have an extra set of pins if you can. And I just take it and I twist it gently. Kind of make sure that nothing has shifted, because sometimes it will. Make sure I have the tulle nice and taut, like that. Now we'll go ahead and give it a tie here. I'll just go over and under, like so. And we'll do it nice and tight. It needs to be a little bit tighter, so I'm just going to pull it through, pull it down a little bit more. Oh, that looks great. I think the front could come up a little bit more, so we'll just pull that up like so. And like that. And then I'm just going to dye just a simple bow. So this way and this way. And I will fix it and fluff it as I want. Bring this over here. Let me bring it so you can see it a little better. So I'm just working on the loops, the loop-de-loops. Great. Okay, it's pretty great. So that's the way it looks. Very pretty, and I will have pictures so you guys can definitely see, but it looks great. That's it from the back. That's it from the top with the little thing, and you can trim this off if you want the tulle, but I like it. Very romantic. I like really romantic baskets. And all I'm going to do is trim this off a little bit. We'll go like that. These are not fabric scissors, they are paper scissors, but they seem to be getting the job done. Okay, just like that. And then I'll do the other one too. Maybe a little bit further down. But I'm not sure where I want to cut it yet, so I'm going to leave that one undone. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you can make some of these baskets for your friends. If you ever need a custom-made basket, you can always contact me too. My email address is in the description of this box, and I do ship too. So you can give me a theme and I can make a custom basket for you too. So I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Make sure you check out the playlist for more inspiration, and I will see you later. Bye bye.